Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how you can get a coffee maker that makes hot and iced coffee for $15. So if you're interested in what I found, then just keep on watching. Walmart has a Gourmia coffee maker that makes hot and iced coffee for $15. This coffee maker comes in a variety of colors for this awesome price. If this is something that you're interested in, or if you want to see what else they have in store, please click into my description box on my link so you can start saving today. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.